Hello everybody, so today I will talk about trigonometry. Let minus b over 4 smaller than x and x smaller than 0, given that tan2x equals minus 2. So for tanx in here, so I will show the technique how to answer the question. We must to know that this interval in here is about the quadrant number 4. So in the quadrant number 4, tanx should be negative. Now we have tan2x in here. In the tan2x we have the formula. That is about 2 tanx, and in the denominator we have 1 minus tan x power 2. So we change the tan2x into minus 2. And now we put tan x is about t. So we find the value of the t in here. Because we have the number 2 and number 2, we simplify in the both sides and we divide by 2, and we got about minus 1 equals to t over 1 minus t squared. We multiply both sides with 1 minus t squared, and we got about t squared minus 1 equals to t. We have t squared minus t minus 1 equals to 0. So we find the solution of t in here. So we have two solutions. T equals to 1 minus square root of number 5 over 2, and t equals to 1 plus square root number 5 over 2. Because we need to find the tanx should be about negative, so only this one is acceptable number, so we can find the final answer. Tanx in here should be this number, because this is about the negative. That's the end. Thank you for watching.